Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina and today we're here with my brother Mateo. Say hi, Mateo. Hi. Well, today we're gonna dig out toy dinosaurs. So it brings individual boxes and something, but right now Mateo's gonna get one out. So yay, let's get started. The little ball of clay, whatever it is, of dry sand, and it brings this thing to dig it out. I don't know what it's called, but I'll look it up. And this brush to dust it like this. Hey guys. Mateo got his dinosaur out because Mom just hit it on the ground. So now he has to get it out and dust it.
Dig it out, Mateo.
Well, I am digging. I have a lot to dig. See? I'm gonna drill it.
One more time.
Okay. No, I'm not gonna throw it. Look. You can see it right there.
Ahora lavando sus dinosaurs.
Y jugando. Oh, I got 6 dinosaurs because 3 plus 3 equals 6. Yeah.
Mateo has 6 also.
A dinosaur. Yeah, I can see that. There's 3. A dinosaur. Mama, dinosaur.
Yes.
Well, this is the end of my video, and I'm gonna do it by myself because Mateo doesn't want to do it. Well, this is the end of my video, and I hope you like, and if you like, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!